Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your Piggyvest referral earnings, right? Your referral bonus, from your phone. Now this is a direct response to questions that I've gotten a lot after I made this video right here. After I made this video, a lot of you guys have been asking me, you've done it. Somebody said that he has made 100K from this video. Now, how is he going to withdraw the money to his local bank account? Now, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. Now, before I get right into it, I want to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and notification button. My name is Gerald, and what I do on this channel is basically show you how to make money online. I find out what works, then I come to the channel and show you exactly how to do it. So today I've shown you how to make money on Piggyvest, how to make money online in Nigeria with 100 naira. A lot of you have tried and you've made a lot of money from it. Now the challenge that you have is actually withdrawing that money. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make that withdrawal in this video right now. Now let's go, guys. So guys, this is very simple. So first thing you need to do is to go to Piggyvest app on your phone, right? This app right here. You come to this app and you wait for it to load up. So waiting for this to load up, it's showing Piggyvest and it's loading up. Now, if you look at this, you see that to date I've made over 2 million naira right here on this app by by doing what I showed you guys in the previous video. And okay, so that said, and if you come right here all the way here, you slide to Flex Naira account, you see that I have let me go back. Now I've made over 2 million right here, and if you click on this 2 million, where is it? You click on safe lock. No, this is not what I'm looking for. Let's go back to the home page. I click on this place, then I come to here. Okay, yeah, this is what I'm looking for. So if you look at this place, you see that my savings, I've saved 408,000. That's the amount that I've saved. Now this money here, this one here, is what I've gotten from referral bonus. So people signed up using my link, like I taught in that video. If you've not done it, you can watch that video and see exactly how to do it. People signed up using my link, and I was able to make over 1.6 million, doing that. Now that's exactly how this thing works. Now if you come, okay, I'm just going to go down. Okay, come here. So I'm going to click on this Flex Naira. Yeah. So I click on this place. Now this is the amount that I can withdraw. This amount, this 11,000. has matured for me to withdraw, and I can withdraw it right now if I want, and I'll withdraw it in this video so that you guys will see exactly how this is done. So I'm just going to come down to withdraw right here, right? So I'm just going to click on withdraw, then I already added my bank account. So if you see my bank account right here, GT Bank, right, where I want the money to be paid into, so I can withdraw 11,000, and I can send it to this bank account right here, So what I'm going to do right now is to put in amount that I want to withdraw. Minimum is 2,000. So I put in the amount. Let's say I want to withdraw 10,000. And I come down, select what you are withdrawing for. This is optional. I can just put food, right? This optional. You can tell not to choose anything. Optional note to Piggyvest. You can just put a note right here. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Then your security question, where did you grow up? You're going to put in a security question. If this is your first time, you're going to be prompted to actually choose these things. Put in a security question right here. With answer to where did you grow up, I put it here. Then my password, I put in my password right here, and I click done. Once I'm done, I click withdraw to bank, and it happens. So I'm just going to do all that. What's my security question? So I've put in my security question. I put in my my password right here, and I'm just going to hit withdraw. This is it right here. I'm just going to hit withdraw to bank. Yeah, so I hit withdraw to bank, and it says confirm withdrawal. Are you sure you want to withdraw the above amount from a Flex wallet? I say confirm. I hit confirm. This right here, right? So I hit confirm, and I hit confirm, and okay, so it's loading. It says your withdrawal was successful. Amount 10,000. Your request has been processed successfully. Funds will be received shortly. So we're just going to wait for this amount to hit my bank account, right? And it's no distant time this money is going to be paid into my bank account. So if you come right here to Flex Naira, you see that the money will leave here very soon, and it will be put into my bank account. So we're just going to wait for that to happen. I'm going to be showing you all the process why it's happening. So I think the money just came in. So I'm just going to check this is it right here. This is it right here. This is it right here. This one here, right? Just this right here, right? This is it right here. You see, the money just came into my bank account. So it says 10,000 naira credited from Piggyvest, right? And blah 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 blah. So this is it. The money is now inside my bank account, guys. So that's exactly how this thing works. It's that seamless. Now, if this is your first time, right, you have not set up your password, you not put your bank account, your bank account and everything, it's going to prompt you to do all that, right? And I think you can set it up by going to where Flex Naira. It's going to prompt you to do all that. Once you hit withdraw, it's going to prompt you to set that all up because you've not done that already, right? So it's going to prompt you to do all that. So it's a very seamless way to do it, right? So once your money has matured, it will come to your Flex wallet, and from your Flex wallet you can make all the withdrawals that you want. Right now I have 1,494 naira inside here, and I can withdraw it if I want to do that right now, guys. So that's exactly how this thing works, guys. Until I see you in my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald loves you. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and I'll consider making a video, even if it means making that video specifically for you. I wouldn't mind doing that. Thank you, guys. Keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you.